Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Right now in California we're experiencing a heat wave. So if you're in California, sit tight, especially me. My AC that's brand new, about 4 months old, went down again. So that's 2 times. And I'm still making content. The house is hot. I'd rather be inside. My wife and the kids are leaving to go to department stores to try to stay cool. But there's rolling blackouts, so we're gonna find out. So side note, questions I get about people complaining about making contents too difficult, bite me. So first tip, you want to heavily water. Well, of course, Moses. No, I'm talking about an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours of just drenching where your backyard or garden becomes a lake or a big pond. If you're allowed. Here in California we have restrictions, so keep a close eye on how much water you're using, but flood it. Don't just put water for 5-10 minutes. I'm talking that hose right there will be there for 2 hours, spraying the whole area, flooding it once a week. Okay, second tip. As you can see, the Tamarillo over here doesn't like too much sun. I plant densely, really packed in. You can see the one that's in the sun, but producing fruit though. It's suffering. More open area. You need to plant densely. I know for some of you right now that might be too late, but that's the part of the reason why I don't have to use shade cloth, which we're going to in tip number 3. Like I said, tip number 3, get some shade cloth or whitewash your trees like I did this avocado or this cherimoya. I used IV organic products, or I used diatomaceous earth and just sprayed it on here with water, and it has helped. This was without, and you can see how bad it is. This was with the spray. You can see how dense it is here, and where I missed a bit and I tried to respray, it didn't work out so well. But where I did spray, still nice and healthy. Okay, tip number 4, something that many people might not think about is your plants are stressing. They need more food, not just water. Don't drench the ground with fertilizer. Foliar feed at nighttime only, or at sunset. Foliar feed your leaves with organic materials such as fish or seaweed. That way your leaves and plants are not only hydrated, but they're also fed. Very important in the heat. There's the junky AC, 4 months old, went down twice. Thank you, Amana. And lastly, what I do every other hour is I get my hose and I spray the air and wash all the leaves to keep the area humid and to help with cooling off the leaves. I also do it to the grass as well. So stay safe, stay healthy, and stay cool. We're gonna try our best. It's getting really hot. It's 111 today. Happy gardening.